If your skincare regimen isn't giving you the glow that you want, then you are missing this, the Gua Sha stone. And let me give you a little background about the Gua Sha stone. It is a part of traditional Chinese medicine. It's a TCM. It's been around for 5,000 years. It has great benefits. It helps reduce the tension in our face. It helps get with product absorption. It helps move the lymphatic liquid in our face. And it also helps with reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And who doesn't want that? One of the things you want to make sure is that you have a good slip agent. You want to use, I use my Fresh Face Serum. You want your stone to glide across your face, glide across your skin. That's going to give you the best benefits. Now, some of the techniques you want to do, but some of the manipulations you want to be aware of is first, you want to hold your stone. Well, let me describe the stone for you. It's shaped in the heart. It's the jade stone. I'm using this one because everybody's familiar with it. And you will know because you will recognize it when you see it. So it has a V and it has a concave. The V is made for the curves in our face. Where do we have curves? Our jawbones, our cheekbones, our brow bones. And the concave side is used for the flat surfaces. The flat surfaces is used on the marionette lines, the nasal passages, in our forehead and underneath our eye. Now, when you're using your Gua Sha stone, you want to hold it on a 45-degree angle. Let's say we're going to start with our chin, underneath our chin, and get that lymphatic liquid moving. You want to hold it on a 45-degree angle and use medium pressure. You don't want to hold it perpendicular. You want it to lean against your skin. Medium pressure. Don't forget that, and don't forget your slip agent. You need a slip agent. Now, the V, the V is used for our jawbone. It helps gives a little lift to our jaws, and you're going to medium pressure. And I like to do 5 passes, or no matter what part of the face I'm working on, I like to do 5 passes. Well, sometime on my forehead, it feels so good, I just keep going. So you want to do 5 passes, and what you do to one side, you want to do to the other side. Again, this is the V that is made for the curves in our face. And medium pressure, do a circular motion to reduce that tension, release that tension. Now we're going to use the concave side for the marionette lines. The same thing. You want to reduce that tension, bring it back. 5 passes on each side. And this is a demo, so I'm just showing you. I'm just going through the motions. So we're doing the marionette lines. We did our jaws. We did the marionette lines. Now we're going to do the nasal passage. And again, 5 passes, medium pressure, and have that stone leaning against your skin, not away, but against. 5 passes, and what you do to one side, you're going to do to the other side. 5 passes, medium pressure. Now we're going to move up to underneath our eye. We might have some puffiness, some eye bags there. This manipulation will help with that. Underneath your eye, don't forget we're releasing that tension. Light pressure because that skin is thin. Move it back here. Then you're going to do the same. And I'm just doing a demo, but you want to do 5 passes, right? And light pressure underneath those eyes because they are sensitive. Their skin is thin. So now we're going to do our brow because, again, if you're BOF, everything go down. So we're going to bring it up because we want to do what? Age gracefully. So we're going to hold that brow and sweep this part of the Gua Sha stone underneath. We're going to do 5 passes. And then you want to do the same thing to the other brow. Now, let's move on to the 11. People have 11s here. That is just a part, again, of aging gracefully, right? We're going to use our Gua Sha stone, the flat side, the concave side, and then the upward motion to help remove, and medium pressure. And then you're just going to take your Gua Sha stone and finish out your forehead. After you get rid of those 11s, you're going to do 5 passes here, medium pressure. Also, you can use the tail and go back and forth, medium pressure. So that is a way to do a lot of things, including getting that glow up. It helps reduce the tension in our face. It helps move that lymphatic liquid for puffiness. It helps get that blood flowing. That's going to give us the glow. That's what we want. Also, it helps with product absorption. So add this to your skincare regimen. Check out the yellow basket on the post and get your products now.